My name is Gina Antrim and I am an AAC SLP, and today we are going to be reading the book Even Monsters Need Haircuts. And the person who wrote our story and made the pictures is Matthew McElligott, so he's our author and illustrator. And today I will be providing aided language input using the Unity word wall poster from PRC. All right, so let's go ahead and read. So our title again is Even Monsters Need Haircuts. And we see a little boy who's giving a green Frankenstein monster a haircut. Here's our title again. Even Monsters Need Haircuts. All right, we see a little bat on our copyright page. That's when it tells us when the book was made. All right, it says, my dad is a barber. I like to watch him work. I'm a barber too. Tonight will be a full moon. I'll need to get to bed early. Just before midnight, I hear a soft tapping sound, and Vlad, that's our bat that we saw, he is waiting for me at the window. I grab my pack and I climb down the tree. Together we cross the fields into town. I am not allowed out of the house alone, but I am not alone. Vlad, he's with me. Soon we arrive at the alley behind the shop, and I have a skeleton key. I unpack my supplies, the rotting tonic, horn polish, and stink wax. They go on the counter. And the shampoo goes next to the sink. I tuck the moon powder into my pocket. It's right next, and I know my word next is under my prepositions, to the tangling brush. I am ready to begin. Around 12:30, Igor walks in. So he's already giving Vlad the vampire haircut, and now another monster is coming in for a haircut too. By 1 o'clock, the shop, it is full. It's going to be a busy night. Look at all of those monsters. They are all different, and I know my word difference in my adjectives, which will be up in our categories. All right, some customers, they are easy. He only has one hair. That's not gonna take too long at all. But some, they are more difficult. That's a lot of hair. Some always get the same thing. So our Frankenstein monster, he always wants the same haircut. Some always want to try something new. Guys, I do not want to have to do her hair. So this character is called Medusa, and she has snakes for her hair. Oh, I would not want to have to touch snakes and braid them. And it looks like he does not want to either because his eyes are covered up and he's looking away too. All right. And with some customers, it's tough to know exactly what they want. With a skeleton, what are you supposed to do? Things are going well. Everyone is getting along. And then it happens. There is a knock at the front door. No one ever knocks at the front door. They all know to come in the back. Who could it be? It is a customer. A human customer. We have never had a human customer before. What are we gonna do? Nobody moves as the man walks to the barber's chair. So we can look around closely, and they're in different positions. So if we go to our prepositions, we could talk about how they're under a chair, how they're above the light. Yeah, they're all in different places. The little boy says, I am nervous. More nervous than I have ever been. So he might be shaking a little bit. Sometimes we get shaky when we're nervous and we don't know what's going to happen. And then he asked me, can you take a little off the top? I did not see that coming. What about you? We all have a good laugh at that one. The sun, it will be up soon. And the monsters, they have to go. We sweep up the shop. We flip back the pictures. And we turn out the lights. It's important that we don't leave anything behind. Some of the guys, they give me a ride home. See you next month, I shout. Soon, my dad will be waking up to go to work. He has his own customers to take care of. After all, even humans, they need haircuts. And if you look closely, he's going to grab something that should not be there. They did not get everything when they were cleaning up. Uh-oh. And there's the end of our story. Thank you so much for reading with me. I'm going to say goodbye, and I hope to see you next time.